Tired of chemical shampoos? Try this natural, budget-friendly alternative straight from your kitchen. Simply mix equal parts of besan flour and yogurt into a smooth, thick paste. This homemade mixture cleanses and conditions your hair. Wet your hair and apply it just like shampoo and wash it off. For an added effect, you can leave it on for 5 minutes and then wash it off with water. Besan flour is garbanzo beans flour, which you can find in any Indian grocery store. Besan flour, also known as gram flour, helps remove dirt, grease and excess oil from your scalp without drying it out. Yogurt is a natural conditioner. It softens hair, reduces frizz, and adds shine, thanks to its protein and moisturizing properties. If your hair is very dry or brittle, apply a little coconut oil or sesame oil on your hair, leave it on overnight, then wash with the besan yogurt mix the next morning for deep hydration. This simple mix is chemical-free, gentle, and packed with nutrients, making it a perfect choice for anyone wanting to nourish their hair naturally. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural chemical-free hair and skincare recipes.